Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Moody Gray filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to -0.50. Contrast to +5. Highlights to -10. Shadows to +15. Whites to -10. Blacks to -34. Next go to Curve. Follow these steps. Next go to the Color panel. Tint to +1. Adjust Vibrance to -10. And then go to Color Mix. First go to Red. Hue to -10. Saturation to -25. Luminance to -10. Next go to Orange. Hue to +4. Saturation to -20. Luminance to +10. Next go to Yellow. Hue to -71. Saturation to -33. Luminance to -7. Next go to Green. Hue to -5. Saturation to -2. Luminance to -15. Next go to Light Blue. Hue to -34. Saturation to -70. Luminance to -10. Next go to Dark Blue. Adjust saturation to -70. Next go to Effect panel. Clarity to +15. Haze to +20. Vignette to -24. Feather to 90. Next go to Split toning. Highlights, H, to 215, and S, to 10. shadows, H, to 239, and S, to 10. Next go to Detail. Noise reduction to 10. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.